Alright everybody, so Angie and I are going to get out our inflatable kayak, which we have only used once before and on a lake, and attempt to take it down a portion of the Colorado River. First things first, gotta put it together. Well, we've about got the kayak figured out, and I'm going to run our truck down to the boat ramp, ride our e-bike back up here to camp, and we'll have our adventure in the kayak. Starts getting okay, probably where you want to try to get in. Jess. Now we're gonna have a wet dog in the boat with us. How am I gonna... Sit, Jess. Sit. Guess we'll figure it out. I'm trying to get the muck off my... Sit. Sit, Ubu. Sit. Good dog. Actually, there we go. We're in like Flynn. I can move my feet, or does my feet help give you some support there? See how we had our selfie stick. Or we could get even some drone footage.
Hey everybody, this is Angie. I hope you enjoyed that short clip of us experiencing rafting on the Colorado for the first time. We just did that 1 mile stint to see how the dog would do, and we're hoping to do a 10 miler here pretty quick in the next few weeks because our experience was so good. It was very tranquil to be on the river. We've traveled that stretch of the river on the road, on the bike path, but it was very different to be on the river. It was very calming and peaceful. We didn't have any river traffic, but it was definitely beautiful and worth it. So if you haven't before, please subscribe, follow us along on our journey, leave us a comment, a thumbs up, and we'll see you next week.